Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and the sun is rising from the west. You rub your eyes, still half asleep. You look again, yes, from the west. Your phone works, the power's on, everything seems fine. But the sun is on the wrong side. This isn't science fiction. This is exactly what you'd see tomorrow morning if Earth reversed its rotation direction tonight. But that's only the beginning. The first hours. NASA and every space agency on the planet declares a state of emergency. Compasses stop working. Well, they still work, but the direction they call north is now south. GPS systems need to be recalibrated. Ships, aircraft, military equipment, everything goes blind in an instant. But even that is only the beginning. Earth is currently spinning at 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's twice the speed of the fastest jet. You don't feel it because the atmosphere, the oceans, everything spins right along with you. Now imagine. This massive 6 sextillion-ton sphere comes to a stop and starts spinning the other way. If this happened suddenly, the laws of physics are merciless. You'd be thrown into the wall. No, wait, the wall would be thrown into you. Because the wall stops, but you keep moving at 1,670 kilometers per hour due to inertia. The oceans, they'd tear away from the coastlines and surge inland, into mountains, into cities. According to scientific calculations, such a sudden shift would generate 500-meter tall waves. Mumbai, New York, Tokyo, Singapore, all submerged within minutes. 85% of Earth's surface would be destroyed within the first 24 hours. This would be more catastrophic than the asteroid impact that wiped out the dinosaurs. But what if it happened gradually, over thousands of years? Now things get interesting. The winds. The winds change everything. Earth currently has trade winds. They blow from east to west. Because of these winds, the Amazon rainforest stays drenched in rainfall. The Sahara stays bone dry. If the rotation reversed, the winds would blow the other way. And here's the great secret. The Sahara would turn green. Scientists have actually calculated this. Moist air from the Atlantic would push deep into the African interior. Within 1,000 years, the Sahara would become the Amazon. 9 million square kilometers of desert transformed into forest. But in return, the Amazon itself would begin to dry up. Brazil and much of South America would turn to desert. The world map would look completely unrecognizable. Now the most astonishing part. You know the planet Venus? The second planet from our sun. It actually does exactly this. It spins backwards. On Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east, just like our reversed world. Astronomers still don't know why Venus spins backwards. Did some massive asteroid strike it long ago? Or is there another reason? But one thing is certain. Venus rotates extremely slowly. One day on Venus equals 243 Earth days, meaning a day on Venus is longer than its year. Was Earth once like that too? Perhaps we once spun slowly as well? If someone watched from above, they'd see Earth and Venus as two neighboring spheres in the cosmos, one spinning one way, one spinning the other. The magnetic field, our invisible shield. There's another secret here. Earth's rotation, combined with its iron-nickel core, generates a massive electromagnetic field. This magnetic field is our invisible shield. It deflects cosmic radiation and solar winds. If Earth slowed down or stopped, this field would weaken. Want to know what happens when it weakens? Look at Mars. Mars once had a magnetic field. It had an atmosphere. It had water. Then its core cooled, its rotation slowed, its magnetic field disappeared, and the solar wind literally stripped away its atmosphere. Today, Mars is a dry, frozen, radioactive wasteland. Earth could have gone down that same road. The biggest question of all. We all learned in school. Earth rotates from west to east. It has always been this way. It will always be this way. But science says, not exactly. 4.5 billion years ago, the most violent collision in the history of our solar system occurred. An object the size of Mars, called Theia, slammed into Earth. That impact created the Moon. That impact changed Earth's rotational speed, its tilt, and perhaps even its direction. Meaning, the rotation we have today is itself the result of a cosmic accident. The universe is so vast, so indifferent, so random, and we are the product of that chain of accidents. If Earth spun backwards, everything would change. But one thing would remain the same. There is a being on this planet who asks these questions, who stands in wonder, who reaches to understand. And that being is you. Want to know what comes next? The Moon is slowly drifting away from Earth. In 600 million years, total solar eclipses will no longer exist. But that is a story for another time.